Hi everyone and welcome back to Content Hub. Today's video it's going to be interesting guys. Ready? Let's go today topics.
Today topics cover daily conversations, casual to advanced business and formal English, job interviews and formal discussions. Normal English versus advanced English. I'm very busy, I'm swamped with work, I'm not sure, I'm uncertain, I'm hungry, I'm famished, starving. I'm really tired. I'm utterly exhausted. It's raining a lot. It's pouring heavily. Let's meet soon. Let's catch up at our earliest convenience. That's funny. That's hilarious. I forgot, it slipped my mind. I made a mistake, committed an error. Stop wasting time. Let's not squander time. Business and formal English, normal English versus advanced English. I need your help. I require your assistance. Let me know. Kindly inform me. I'm confused. I comprehend. I will try my best. I will make every effort. Can we meet tomorrow? Could we schedule a meeting for tomorrow? Sorry for the delay. I apologize for the inconvenience. I can't come. I won't be able to attend. Please wait. Kindly hold on for a moment. I agree with you. I am in complete agreement. I don't know. I'm uncertain at the moment. Let's talk about it later. Let's revisit this discussion at a later time. Job interviews and formal discussions. Normal English versus advanced English. I'm good at this. I excel in this area. I have I possess extensive experience. I can do this. I am capable of handling this. I want this job. I am keen on this opportunity. I work well with people. I thrive in collaborative environments. I can learn quickly. I am a quick and adaptable learner. I've done this before. I have prior experience in this field.
If you any other questions, by the way, please make sure to leave them in a comment for us and maybe we'll talk about in future. Thanks very much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for your support to Content Hub.